Hi guys! Gretzi from Switzerland. Welcome to my very first vlog. If you're new here, isa akong Kabitenya na nag-migrate dito sa Switzerland. In short, dinala ng apam sa Switzerland. And today, isi-share ko sa inyo yung pinaka-life-changing journey ko. My journey going to Switzerland. Honestly, hanggang ngayon parang hindi ko pa rin ma-fully process na nandito na talaga ako. Because growing up, Switzerland was just a place I used to see online or in the movies. Tulad ng Heidi, beautiful mountains, clean streets, snow, peaceful life, and now I'm actually living here. This journey wasn't just about traveling to another country. It was also about leaving my comfort zone, facing fears, adjusting to a completely different life, and learning how to become stronger. So in this vlog, kukwento ko sa inyo everything. My emotions, my struggles, culture shock, first impression, and the reality of starting a new life abroad. So if you're interested, come with me on this journey. Before all of this happened, sobrang dami munang preparation. Hindi lang physically, but emotionally. I remember one time packing my luggage while thinking, ito na talaga yun. At first, oo, exciting siya. Pero habang papalapit na ng papalapit yung flight ko, mas nagiging emotional ako. Because I realized I was about to leave everything familiar to me. My family, my friends, my comfort place, the life I was used to. And honestly, that part was really hard. There were nights na hindi ako makatulog kakaisip. Question kept running in my head. Makaka-adjust kaya ako sa Switzerland? Magiging masaya kaya ako doon? Paano kung mahirapan ako? Paano kung ma-homesick ako? Kasi iba talaga kapag bumalik ka sa ibang bansa. Parang magsisimula ka ulit sa zero. But at the same time, I knew this was an opportunity for me. So kahit scared ako, tinuloy ko pa rin. The day of my flight, sobrang emotional. Parang halo-halong emotions talaga. Excited, nervous, sad, happy, everything at the same time. Sa airport pa lang, doon na nag-sink in sa akin na, OMG, paalis na talaga ako. Habang naghihintay ng boarding, napapaisip ako. This is the start of completely different life. And honestly guys, first time ko rin maka-experience ng sobrang long flight. Nakakapagod pala talaga. Imagine sitting for so many hours, trying to sleep, eating airplane food, checking the screen every few minutes kung malapit na ba. But one thing I'll never forget, yung moment na nakakita ko ng clouds from the airplane window. Wow, parang ang peaceful lang, no? And during that moment, I started reflecting about life. I realized how far I've come already. And then finally, I arrived in Switzerland. Guys, sobrang ganda niya in real life. Mas maganda pa sa nakikita natin sa pictures, videos. Like, ibang level talaga. Paglabas ko pa lang, unang napansin ko kagad, sobrang linis ng paligid. Everything looks so organized and peaceful. The roads, the trains, the buildings, even the air felt different. And the transportation system, super organized. Dito mo talaga makita yung discipline ng mga tao. Another thing that shocked me here was how quiet everything is. Compared sa Philippines, na lively and maingay, dito sobrang calm ng mga tao. As in, at first, nanibago ko. Syempre. Pero, parang feeling ko nasa movies lang ako. But of course, hindi mawawala yung biggest adjustment for me was the weather. Guys, ibang level yung lamig dito. Spring season pa lang ngayon dito, pero ibang level na para sa akin. What pa kaya sa winter? Akala ko prepared na ako because bumili ako ng jackets. Pero pagdating ko dito guys, parang tumatagos talaga yung lamig hanggang buto. Another adjustment was the language. Siyempre, minsan nahihirapan ako intindihin yung mga tao, especially kapag mabilis sila magsalita. Kasi guys, yung inaral ko lang naman is German A1, so pang elementary level lang siya. There were moments na nahiya akong magtanong because I didn't know how to speak. But slowly, I started learning and adjusting. And syempre, yung independence. Dito, kailangan matutong gawin lahat ng isa. Commuting, groceries, paperwork, adjusting to schedules, budgeting, and everything. And honestly, nakaka-overwhelm siya minsan. Especially kapag bigla kang mahuhusay. I think one thing people don't always show online is the emotional side of living abroad. Because yes, beautiful ang Switzerland, but there are also lonely moments where you miss home so much. There were times na namiss ko yung family ko, yung Filipino food, simple conversation, and even chaos of home. Sometimes I would look outside the window and think, ang layo ko na talaga. And there were days na emotional draining talaga. Because living abroad means you need to become stronger mentally. You learn how to survive on your own. You learn patience, you learn responsibility, and you learn that growth is uncomfortable. But despite all the struggles, I also started discovering a stronger version of myself. This journey taught me so many things. It taught me how to adapt, how to be brave, and how to trust myself more. I realized that sometimes life will push you into uncomfortable situations, not to break you, but to help you grow. And now, even though I'm still adjusting, I'm proud of myself for making it this far. Because not everyone has the courage to leave everything behind and start over. So ayun guys, thank you so much for listening to my story and watching my first ever vlog. This vlog is very special to me because this is not just about traveling. This is about new beginnings, growth, dreams, and becoming stronger through every experience. And honestly, this is just the beginning of my journey here in Switzerland. I'm excited to share more experience with you guys. Life abroad, Switzerland culture, travel, struggles, and every moments. So if you want to be part of my journey, don't forget to give it like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on my next vlog. Bis morgen. Ciao!